Let's hand over to Snehi then to know that how did the markets pan out today. Over to you, Snehi.
Yes, let's take a look at how today's trading session has panned out, and overall it's been quite a decent trading session for us. We inched up some gains yesterday. It's the second consecutive session where the Nifty is closing in the green, and an 0.8% jump is what we are seeing on the Nifty today. 200 points on the intraday basis, but more than a 300-point uptick coming in from the day's lowest point. We're looking very comfortable above the 22,500 mark for now. So that's on Nifty. Let's pull up the Sensex and take a look at what the Sensex is up to in today's trading session in tandem with the Nifty, and 0.8% uptick coming in for the Sensex as well in today's trading session. Let's pull up the broader markets because while the Nifty mid-cap was largely in tandem with the benchmarks today, the mid-cap has seen an uptick of 0.2%, so slightly simmered down on that terms. We have the Nifty small-cap index that was outperforming the benchmarks today, a 1.1% uptick coming in on the small-cap index in today's trading session. Let's see the advance decline ratio that was very steeply in the favor of the advances, although at one point of the trading day we had 2200 stocks that were trading in the green. Now that's almost dropped to 2100 odd levels, so not bad, not much, but on the back of that India VIX is spiked up very nominally in today's trade, a 3.5% uptick coming in on the India VIX. 13.7 is where we are at. Let's take a look at some sectoral winners and losers in today's trade. Metals continue to shine, an 8% intraday uptick coming in for the Nifty Metal Index, and names like Vedanta were in focus today. Vedanta was up 12%, Jindal Steel was up 11.5%, Hindustan Copper, Tata Steel, Hindustan Zinc, Nalco, Hindalco, NMDC, SAIL, all of these stocks were in focus in today's trading session. So it's looking very good for a couple of these names in today's trading session. Let's move on and talk about some other sectoral indices. Then you had the energy pack that was in focus, and in fact on a positive note, all of these indices have closed in the green today, so it's looking very good for all of them. Energy, PSU banks, realty, pharma, FMCG, auto, IT and Nifty Bank. That's the pecking order of all the sectoral gainers in today's trading session. Let's talk about a couple of stocks that were in focus today. Castrol India was in focus, was a high flyer in today's trade on the back of a source-based news flow coming in from Bloomberg last evening that Saudi Aramco may be mulling bid for its assets. Bharat Forge was in focus as well. Kalyani Powertrain has partnered with Taiwan's Compal Electronics to manufacture servers in India. So Castrol India, an uptick of 10%. Let's pull up Bharat Forge and see what that stock was doing in today's trading session on the back of a positive news flow. Last we saw, yes, a 3% uptick coming in on that stock. Realtel has won back-to-back orders over the last couple of minutes. A very sharp spike came in the stock when that happened. Greaves Cotton was in focus today. PFC, REC were in focus on Macquarie, and last but not the least, we have to mention Nifty Big Boy Reliance in today's trading session. A couple of upbeat brokerage notes coming in on the back of that. Reliance was also surging 3% in today's trade, one of the biggest gainers on the Nifty, and has helped keep the index afloat in today's trading session. But that's how we are shutting shop for the day. We're looking good above the 22,500 mark, and let's hope this positivity and this positive streak that we're seeing, the two-day winning streak on Nifty, continues in tomorrow's trade as well.